Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to share Notion pages with others. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to your Notion, selected workspace, selected project that you wanted to share to someone. It could be your teammate, your friend. So let's just say you want to share this template right here. So what you're going to do is you just have to click this share button above, then you can now change or adjust the settings. In the top this one, you have the full control if you want to share this with invite only or people with a link or under your team, or you can also tap the third one, everyone at your Notion. So all you have to do is to select or tap from any of the given options right here. So you can share this to anyone. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do here is you just have to copy the link, and also you have the full control if you want them to just view your template, if you want them to, or if you let them edit your template, if you want them that they can comment to your template, and so on. So you have the full access, full control of that before you share this link. So adjust the setting and then copy the link, paste it to wherever you wish, or send it to someone, your teammate or coworker or whoever is that. And once you click this link, then it will take them directly to your template. Now it's up to you if you let them, like what I mentioned earlier, it depends on your settings if you let them edit your template, or they can just view, or they just can comment to your template. But this is how you basically share Notion pages with others. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.